In this video, we will learn about the chart of accounts in KostPadi. The chart of accounts is the foundation of your accounting system. It organizes all financial transactions into structured categories so that your business activities can be properly recorded and reported. Every transaction that happens in your business, whether it is a sale, an expense, a payment, or an asset purchase, must be recorded against an account in the chart of accounts. This structure allows KostPadi to automatically generate accurate financial reports, such as income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, trial balance, general ledger. Understanding the chart of accounts will help you better organize your financial data and interpret your reports. To access the chart of accounts in KostPadi, open the main navigation menu, click Account Chart. This will open the full list of accounts available in your company workspace. When you first create your company in KostPadi, the system automatically generates a standard chart of accounts to help you get started immediately. The chart of accounts is divided into several major categories. Each category represents a different type of financial activity within your business. The main account categories include 1. Assets. Assets represent resources owned by the business that have economic value. 2. Liabilities. Liabilities represent obligations or debts that the business owes to other parties. 3. Equity. Equity represents the owner's financial interest in the business. Equity shows the portion of the business that belongs to its owners. 4. Revenue accounts record income generated by your business operations. Revenue accounts are used when recording sales transactions. 5. Expenses. Expense accounts record the costs required to run the business. These expenses reduce your overall profitability. For more details around what each category entails and examples of each, you can check out the income statement and balance sheet videos. If your business needs a new account that does not already exist, you can create one easily. To add a new account, click Add Account, enter the account number or code, account name, select the account category such as asset, liability, revenue, or expense. Save the account. Once created, the new account becomes available when recording transactions, posting journals, or categorizing financial activity. Each account in the chart of accounts contains several key pieces of information. These includes account name, account type, account category, account code or identifier. These details help the system correctly classify transactions and generate accurate financial reports. You can scroll through the list to view all accounts currently configured for your company. You may also update existing accounts if needed. For example, you may want to rename an account, update its category, reorganize your account structure. Simply select the pencil icon in front of the account you want to modify and update the necessary details. Keeping your chart of accounts well organized helps maintain clean and understandable financial records. The chart of accounts is used across many areas of KostPadi. For example, when you post sales, the revenue account is updated. When you record purchases, the expense account is updated. When you record bank transactions, the appropriate accounts are categorized. When you post journal entries, you select accounts from the chart of accounts. All of these transactions flow into your financial reports. This is how KostPadi automatically generates your income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, trial balance, general ledger. Here are a few best practices when working with your chart of accounts. Keep account names clear and descriptive. Avoid creating duplicate accounts. Use the correct account category when adding new accounts. Periodically review your account structure as your business grows. A well-organized chart of accounts makes financial reporting much easier to understand. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your financial system in KostPadi. By properly organizing your accounts, you ensure that every transaction in your business is recorded accurately and reflected correctly in your financial reports. In the next videos, we will explore how these accounts are used when posting transactions and generating financial statements. KostPadi, your go-to Padi for financial solutions.